The 2005 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, center armrest, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.